Hello guys, and a big welcome back to my channel. And today is another home haul day. I think it's been nearly 6 months since I've done my last home haul. As I said to some of you guys previously, I'm looking at living a more minimalistic lifestyle and just paring down everything that I own. So yes, you're probably wondering, why is she doing a home haul then? Well, I ended up buying a cabinet for like all the toys and things like that, something that just wasn't like a cheap Target piece, something that would really elevate the space. And then I got the itch to switch, because I was going to switch it up when I repainted anyway, but it just kind of happened. I also did get gifted a $250 worth of gift cards over my birthday and Christmas for Adairs as well. So that's definitely helped me to afford everything that's going on. So from all this big home haul, you're actually going to see a full decorating series. So this is like a 3-part series of how I've reorganized and redecorated. Just did a massive reshuffle of the house, and that will be posted very shortly. So keep your eyes open on Thursdays at 5 o'clock for those videos. So everything today that I'm sharing with you is from Adairs, Ikea, Kmart. I've got a little one from Dusk, and then Provincial Living. As I said, a massive haul, and let's jump into it. Okay, I'm going to start off with Adairs. I've got a couple items from there. So the first one is this beautiful pot. This one here was $59, so not the cheapest pot in the world, but as we know, Adairs is not the cheapest place in the world. It has this beautiful, like, minimalistic pattern on it, and that's what caught my eye, was the pattern and just the colours. The colours are beautiful, like nice and neutral. It is slightly textured on the pattern, and it's nice and smooth, so it's pretty easy to clean and maintain as well. It does have a drainage hole which you can take the thing out, I believe. The next one is the Adairs Shepherd Throw, I believe. It is 130 centimeters by 210 centimeters. I got it in the color Sage. So this is it here. It is one side, it is like this, and the other side is beautiful and fluffy. It is the softest in the world. I absolutely love this. There's going to be lots of fights on our couch as to who gets this. I was going to go for a lighter throw, like something that wasn't like a heavy blanket like this, but the reality is I live in a really cold place, and I feel like that would just be something that would protect me from mosquitoes in the summer if I actually used it. It'd be something that's there for decorating. So I felt that that was pointless, and I went for something like this. But they do have heaps of like different ones with patterns and flowers and things like that if you're wanting a warm throw for the winter that actually looks nice. So definitely keep your eyes open for those. The next item I got from Adairs was this cushion. I have been wanting this cushion for a long time. I've eyed it off, but because I sort of didn't know what my colour palette and things were going to be when I was decorating the lounge room area, I hadn't actually, you know, made the commitment to buy it, because these are $90 a pillow. Yeah, I didn't pay $90 because I got it on a Little Lovers sale, and as I said, I had gift cards, so I didn't actually pay for it. But how stunning is this? It is feather. So do a nice big pillow chop there if you wanted to, but yeah, it's feather, so it molds into your body and it feels so good. It springs back, and it's one of those things that has a zip on the back here. You can take it off and you can wash it. But yeah, it's one of those things, if you didn't like it anymore and you wanted to swap it out, you've got a really good quality insert in here, and you can just change your pillow slip in the future if you wanted to do that. Let's head on to, these are just a couple I got from the supermarket actually. So I really needed some new stationery. My stapler gets caught, and I've been dealing with it for years, and I saw these at Coles and I got them. This was on the back to school sale, but I did see very similar at Pretty Little Designs if you're wanting something like this just to elevate your desk space area. And then I also got the matching pair of scissors. Next I got from Ikea was this here. I'm not even going to bother trying to say that, because that's going to just waste more time on this video, but this is what it is. I'm going to put a picture on the screen of what they are. It's just a magazine file, but I'm going to use this in my drop zone. So I will eventually do a video with the drop zone. I'm not ready to do it yet. I need to do it, but I'm not ready to do it yet. So you're not going to see that video for a while until I repaint and everything, because I don't want to have to take it off the wall and patch up holes and then put it back on. The other thing I got was these shoe boxes. These are from the Scubs range. I'll again put a picture on the screen for you. So I will end up doing like an organise with me video, and I will share with you what I'm going to do with all these products anyway. So you will see that. But yeah, I just needed some for my decorative like shoes and off-season shoes, so they wouldn't get dusty, because that's what I was finding, that they get really dusty. This is what I got from Kmart. So this is actually for your washing machine, and I fell in love with it because it has drawers on it. So you can see from the picture there, so you basically use a magnet, you put it on the side of your washing machine. You could definitely use this for the side of the fridge if you wanted to, and the drawers just slide out like so, and then you can grab your chemicals or anything that you want to put in there. So I just think that this is such a great, clever little invention. I believe I saw them on clearance last time I went in there. So if they are still there, I will leave them linked in the description box below. So just little shelves like this. It'll be so good for even spices and things like that. But yeah, it's only one drawer. I thought it was 2 drawers, but that's fine. Just, yeah. This one is really hard to come by. I saw someone, it was one of those home decorating pages, and I was like, I've got to have that, and I just never found it. And I was looking at Provincial Living, they were way too big. I was looking at Maya, they were $100, and they were just had some really mixed reviews. I'm not paying $100 for something that, you know, might not work for me. So that is what I got. I feel like I've got an Ikea pack with these instructions and the Allen key. I don't know what it is about an Allen key, but anyway, it's got nice feet on the bottom for your protection. How nice is that? I am really, really happy with that. This is another product that I got. I got some reed diffusers, and if you know me, you know that I do not do fake smells. They are hormone disruptors. This is the actual bottle, and then you've got the tray that it sits on, and then you've got the reeds as well. So I actually bought this for the toilet area, so I'm going to put this in the toilet area, but I'm even thinking maybe in the laundry for the cat litter. I normally don't go fake smells, just because obviously it's not good for you, but that's why I'm putting it in a small area and just shutting the door on areas that are always like stinky, like toilet and the laundry where the cat litter is. Okay, now we're up to the Provincial Living. So this is the Nisha Natural Cushion. It's 55 by 55 centimeters. Again, it's a feather-based one, so if I get sick of this on the outside, I'm just going to replace the cushion cover. But it's just a really gorgeous natural colour. It's one of those things that is going to go with absolutely everything and is super cozy and comfy. And then I did get one more cushion from there, and this one is, I've spent way too much money here. I knew that this is my, say, forever stuff, you could say, so that's why I didn't sort of feel guilty about spending money. So this one is a Cypress Sage cushion, and it is 50 by 60 centimeters. The price tag has been scribbled off, so I don't know how much it actually was, but this is the print on it. It's sort of like a leaf almost, or a tree, or more like a leaf print. It's just a really simple sage, because I wanted a couple of pop cushions. So obviously I've got this one, and I've got the beige one over there. So yeah, I really like it. I think it's gorgeous, and it's going to go in with a lot of the greenery that I've got going on in the home. So that's why I've sort of picked it. So when you're decorating, always decorate sort of in odd numbers, and if you decorate in 3 different main colours, like 3 main colours. I did a video called the 30-60-10 rule if you want to see what that's all about, but you'll find that if you do that, your decorating is going to look so much better. So definitely keep that in mind when you're shopping. It's going to save you heaps of money, and hopefully you can get it right the first time. The next thing I got from Provincial Living, now I had some of these already, so I just bought some more to bulk up what I had because it was looking a little bit sad. So I got these flowers. Honestly, they're not the realest of looking flowers, but when I did put them in the display that I had, they looked really good. And it's only like when you're super close up that you noticed that they're not like really real looking. But it is, honestly, I feel like it is hard to get good fakes. I don't know, I think because I'm just so used to real plants, and my dad is a flower grower and he always gives me like nice flowers and stuff when it's the season. So yeah, I think I'm just too used to seeing real good ones. But these were $29.95 for a bunch, so not the cheapest ones, but they do make a massive wow statement. So if you check out my videos in the next couple of weeks, you will see exactly how I put these pieces together. Another item that I got was this wire support plant prop. Not that exciting. It's a 75cm one. This is just for my plant in my bathroom. If you saw one of my videos a couple of weeks ago, I mentioned about how I think it's trying to climb, so I thought I'd actually buy something for it to climb on, because there's nothing really for it to climb on in my bathroom. So if you really enjoyed this video and you love organising, decorating, cleaning, home improvement type content, I'd love you to stick around and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, because it really does help my channel. And I can't wait for you guys to see my home decorating series. The house just looks amazing. Like, I'm so happy with it, and I've been able to do it with minimal items and a lot of really practical items as well. So they're things that I'm actually going to use that I've decorated with, and it's a great way for you guys to be able to see that you can actually decorate with your home with a lot less things, so it's easier for you to clean, maintain and upkeep. Because at the end of the day, yes, we want our house to be our sanctuary, but we also want to be able to have a lot of time to do things you know, outside the home and not have to spend all our time upkeeping it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and I will catch up with you next week, Thursday at 5 for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.